So here we are at one of my favorite lessons, and we're not even together. It's really breaking my heart. But we have to press on. All right, so lesson 92 is on products, multiply, of binomials, okay? So here you see I have a binomial standing right next to another binomial, and I'm going to be told to multiply, all right? So what we're going to do is apply FOIL, okay? FOIL is an acronym. The F stands for the first. Now what that means is the first element of both of the binomials, okay? So this will be the first thing in this one. This is the first thing in that one, okay? The O here means outside. That means the outside here and the outside here. So this is an outside, this is an outside. Inside would be the things on the inside. So these two. And then L is last. This is the last one, this is the last one. Okay? So let's do that. Let's do first times first. Okay? So that's x squared. Now, outsides. Outside and outside. So that's going to be 3x, isn't it? X times 3, 3x. All right, the inside things. 2 times x, 2x. And then last, the last thing and the last thing. So 2 times 3 is 6. All right? So now we've multiplied everything. Every element's been multiplied by everything in the other binomial. So you want to collect like terms. So you see how these two are like. So 3x plus 2x is 5x. Plus 6, and this is the product. All right? Now, I think FOIL's fine, but I like to consider that this looks kind of like a little man. Here's his little eyes. Here's his little nose. He's got a smile. He's got his little ears. So you see the little man there? You know, and you could decorate a little bit. You put a hat on him, or, you know, maybe you want to make it a little girl, so you might want to give her eyelashes and some hair. I'm really going way beyond. All right, did you guys get how to do FOIL? Well, let's do one with negatives and make sure that we've got it. Let's try something else here. Let's say that we've got x minus 4 times x minus 3. Okay? So again, first times first, x squared. Outside times outside, so x times negative 3 is negative 3x. You have to be very careful with those signs. Okay, inside products, negative 4 times x, negative 4x. And last times last, negative 4 times negative 3, positive 12. All right, like terms. Okay, now you have a minus 3x, and you're taking away 4x. You're going to be adding the opposite. So what do you have? X squared minus 7x, adding two negatives, plus 12. And this is your answer. And again, you may want to make a little man. It's up to you. All right? So as you see, I had some wonderful posters last year, and if you'll be able to see it, here's a FOIL one. Oh, good grief. Can't even get it where you can see it. But you can see these friends did x plus 3, x plus 8. They did it lovely. And I think we have a lovely little, not a little man, but a little girl. So Kinley did this for me last year. This is lovely. Can you see, I hope? She multiplied x. What did she do? X plus 3 and x plus 2. So, yeah, fun. Now, the book also shows you that sometimes they'll label a rectangle or a square with binomials. So I don't want you to get scared about that. If this is x minus 2, and this is x plus 4, all right, and they said find the area of this rectangle, well, you'd say, well, x minus 2 times x plus 4, right? Base times height. Well, have to do FOIL. So x squared plus 4x minus 2x and then minus 8. Notice the negative 2 times positive 4. Okay, collect your like terms. So x squared plus 2x minus 8 would be the area of this rectangle. Kind of weird area, but yeah, it is what it is. Now, if they wanted you to do the perimeter, let's think about that too. You'd add your x's, right? So perimeter then would be 4x. Now, 4 plus 4 is 8. Minus 2 is 6. Minus 2 would be 4. So your perimeter is this. Your area is this. So you're just applying what we learned, products of binomials, to a word problem, okay? So I believe you're ready to do your practice. So I do want to warn you, here's something that happens sometimes. Let me do practice G real quick before you get started. Look at G, it says x plus 10 and it's quantity squared. You are gonna be so tempted to tell me this is x squared plus 100. No, 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 no. You have to write this twice. If you just distributed that exponent, you're going to miss your middle term and you'll be wrong. So don't be wrong. So you have to write it twice and then do FOIL, okay? So resist the urge to distribute the exponent. So G is this answer. Okay, so look very carefully. So you're going to be careful with F that you do that as well, okay? So do A through J, please. A through J, you're skipping G. We already did that one. So please stop the video, do these, right, and then check your work, okay? On B, you don't have to list and explain your steps. You're just going to write the x plus 4 times x plus 4, do FOIL, and get your answer. Okay, now if you had any trouble in any of these practice, you do want to give me a call and we can talk it over together. I wanted to show you J because it's unique. You have x plus 2 times x minus 2. So when you do FOIL, this is what you'll get, x squared plus 2x minus 2x minus 4. And look what happens. These middle terms cancel out, don't they? 2x take away 2x is nothing. So you need x squared, the minus 4, and you're done. So if you realize the shortcut here, anytime these are the same, like x and x, 2 and 2, but one is plus, one is minus, then all that happens is that this gets squared, and it's a minus between them. It happens all the time. If you have x plus 5 times x minus 5, it'll be x squared minus 25, because your middle terms will cancel out. You'll have a plus 5x, a minus 5x. So that's a shortcut that you might want to grasp onto. All right, guys, the assignment's on Renweb. God bless you. Have a wonderful afternoon.